Woke up this morning to the shocking news of a hospital being exploded in Gaza, killing 500 innocent Palestinian men, women, and children. Hamas immediately blamed Israel as bombing the hospital. But then Israel came back and said it was a misfired rocket. Which one is true? Well, we've now seen the evidence, we've seen the photos, we've seen the videos, we've seen the reports, and President Biden has come out and said it looks like it was the Islamic Jihad group that was firing a rocket at Israel that misfired and hit their own people. What a horror, what a travesty that this would happen. And we need to stand against Hamas and the Islamic Jihad group. I know a lot of people that say in order to be pro-Israel, you don't have to be anti-Palestinian. And in order to be pro-Palestinian, you don't have to be anti-Israel. But if you truly love Israelis and Palestinians, then we must stand against Hamas. We must stand against the Islamic Jihad group. We must abhor what is evil and condemn it in the strongest terms. Thank you for praying. We published a prayer guide this morning, how to pray for Palestinians in Gaza, and I ask that you would join me in praying for freedom